In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and tapping on one of your chats. Following that, hit this plus at the bottom left corner. To add an audio file, click on Files section. Then select one of your files from here, tap on one of those apps, or hit those three lines at the top left corner to manage one of those sources. In my case, downloads. You can also click on Audio Filter at the top to make looking for your file much easier. When you're ready, hold the chosen one and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully attached. To add a video one, tap on Gallery section instead. Tap on your video right away and select one of those options. I will go with video, or maybe Google Photos link this time. Wherever you decided, hit Add at the bottom right corner. You can also click on Gallery, then select Gallery over here, tap on your video, or hit Folders and look for it in those options. You can tap on those two lines at the top left corner as well to access the best source for you. Then hold your video and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!